So today I was thinking to do a live video, as I didn't do it for a long period of time. For today I have a 20 by 20 centimeter canvas. I added a first layer of white. The paint is mixed with 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and the rest water, until I have a almost like water consistency. And the colors that I use are light green, apple green, turquoise, and turquoise blue. So I started by pouring this in the middle, then turquoise, and again the blue, and after this I created these spots. And now let's try to see how this will work out. I will try to blow this as a flower, starting from the center. And now I want to blow also the leaves. So for the leaves, I need a little bit more paint in here. Okay, and now to add more definition to the flower, it's as easy as that. It matters the paint consistency, as if you don't have a good paint consistency, it will not be the same. Now I'm doing a lot more definition by using a straw. Okay, then I will add a little bit of blue in the leaves. It's a little bit difficult to do it with only one hand, but I will do my best. Okay. Okay, then I will add some glass, blue glass, just in the middle of the flower. And I don't really like the leaves, so I have to do something to correct them. So I took one of my knives and I am simply dragging the leaves. This one I like. For this one, okay. And this is it. This is my flower. Let me show you also the other two. These are the other two flowers.